haven't washed my hair in 10 days. That's actually so embarrassing. That's gross. I have so much buildup, first of all, from products, sweat, dirt, I don't even know. So today we're gonna be doing a full wash day, full curly wavy hair routine from start to finish. I'm gonna show you exactly how I go from day 10 gross hair to fresh, voluminous, bouncy, defined curls and waves. And I'm gonna be using products from Rizos Curls. We all love them, we all know them, right? Their products are so amazing. If you've never tried them, or maybe if you've never heard of them, where have you been? Seriously, if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you know that I've been using them for a while. And they're actually sponsoring this video, so everyone thank Rizos Curls on the comments, okay? But listen, I didn't just say all that because they're sponsoring the video. I truly mean it when I say their products are chef's kiss. But you know what? Let me just prove it to you. They sent me their best of 2023 VIP box, and I actually haven't opened this, so we're both seeing it for the first time. But I do have an idea what's in here, and I also heard that there's a secret product. So we'll see. Okay. I knew this would be here. This is my favorite product out of everything. The Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. So good. And they also sent me the Refresh and Detangle Spray, the Curl Defining Mousse, love that, the Vitamin C Hair Repair Mask, and the Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp and Hair Rinse. And this is the secret product. It's a hair and body perfume! Oh my god. I'm so excited. It says it has lime zest, California lemon, bergamot blossom, coconut ginger, white florals, sandalwood, vanilla, coconut milk, and vegan musk. You know what? I'm not gonna smell it yet. I'm not gonna open it yet. I wanna smell it for the first time after I finish doing my hair. Okay? So stay tuned. Okay, enough talk. Let's just dive right in. So first I washed my hair with the apple cider vinegar scalp and hair rinse. And like I said, I haven't washed my hair in 10 days, okay? So I really needed a good cleanse. And this does a really great job with clarifying my scalp and hair. My hair felt super clean without it feeling overly stripped, you know? And it's safe for color treated hair too, so I don't have to worry about my color. But here's a quick tip. When shampooing, make sure you use your fingertips, okay? Not your nails, because you might irritate your scalp. So anyways, I followed it up with a vitamin C hair repair mask, and as you can see, she's very thick, which is great because it makes my hair so smooth and much easier to detangle. As usual, I applied it in sections and detangled my hair from the ends and worked my way up to avoid any unnecessary breakage. I left it on for about 10 minutes, then rinsed it out, and my hair felt smooth like butter afterwards. Wow, that felt so good. You know when you haven't washed your hair for a really long time, and then you finally got all that gunk out of your scalp and your hair? It just feels so good. I feel like a new person. Like literally. So dark out now. The lighting earlier was so perfect. Winter is upon us. Seasonal depression is upon us. So everyone brace yourselves. But anyways, let's get to styling, my favorite part. I always section my hair before I do anything because it really helps to distribute the product easily. We're going to start with the Refresh and Detangle Spray. I basically use this as a leave-in conditioner, and I just spray, oh, it's locked. Basically just spray this all over my hair. This is a very lightweight formula, which I love. We love that. Look at this. Prevents your hair from being weighed down, and I would say fine to medium hair texture, like the width of my hair, which, you know, gets weighed down easily. So I always prefer lightweight consistency when it comes to my styling products. I realized that my hair is a little bit on the damp side versus wet, so I'm just gonna spray water just to make it more wet, because my number one rule is style with wet hair, not damp, because I find I always get the best results when it's like almost soaking wet, but not like dripping. But you want to make sure that you're able to hear this like squishy sound. Okay? Anyways, let's move on to the curl defining mousse. I've used this a couple times, and this also has a very lightweight consistency as well, because you know it's a foam or like mousse type of product. You can see how airy and lightweight it is. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? But this basically helps with volume and hold. Just gonna rake it on my hair and then scrunch. You hear that? That's the sound of a good hair day. I might have put too much on this section, but it's okay. It's very lightweight anyways. See this clumping? Yeah. That's what we like to see. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the top section, except I'm gonna brush style it so that I can achieve more volume. And also just spray this on your hand and apply it on your hair, so that way you know how much product you're putting and you're not, you know, accidentally overdoing it. Nice and smooth. I'm gonna rake in a little bit of foam and then I'll apply some more after I brush style. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush style and I'm gonna start all the way from the back. Take little sections, brush them away, and then move towards the front. I'll show you. So again, starting from the back, I take smaller sections and brush them up and away from my scalp. This helps with root volume since it gives you that lift, you know. I also like taking the sections in like a zigzag way. I don't really like having a super defined part, so that's why I do it this way. But if you do, then you can part your hair first the way you like it, and then brush style according to that parting, if that makes any sense. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on this, just let me know on the comments. But yeah, basically I just continue doing that all the way, and when I get to the very front, that's when I like to do my parting in the middle. Okay, all done, and I'm gonna put more of the mousse and then flip it on one side and do the same thing. But this time, since I already brush styled, I don't want to ruin the curl clumps that I just created, so I'm just gonna glaze the mousse and then scrunch. Don't rake it in, because then you'll ruin the beautiful clumps that you worked so hard for. Now flip it to the other side, scrunch some more, and now upside down. Wow, do you see these clumps? You can see that they're gonna be so defined after it dries, but we're not done yet. We have one more product, which, like I said, is my favorite. This is the Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. And I'm telling you, if you've been looking for a sea salt spray, that type of product, get this one. You will never go wrong. This adds so much volume to my hair, and it adds that grit, you know, without it feeling like too much. Do you know what I mean? There's sea salt sprays that, like, when you use it, it feels, my hair would feel rough after. But for this one, just make sure you're not like overdoing it. I like to spray them side to side and then upside down. So anyways, last scrunch and then diffuse. Okay, it's getting so dark and I need to finish. A little tip to dry your hair faster: get a microfiber towel and just scrunch your hair with it. It's called microplopping. You can also just use any cotton t-shirt that you have and just scrunch it and kind of like pulse it and then let go. But you have to do this like carefully, or else you'll end up causing frizz, which we do not want. And also don't overdo it. I just do once or twice on each side and then I start diffusing. Another trick I recently started doing for more volume is to spray more of the beach waves midway through diffusing. I think it's called Master's technique. I'm not sure who came up with it, but it works really well, especially on day 2. You'll see a lot more volume. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, volume. My hair is super defined. Do you see this? So cute. The camera is honestly not doing justice to how good this looks at this lighting. Okay, maybe this view is better. I'm telling y'all, Rizos Curls will never ever let you down. My hair feels super light and bouncy and voluminous. It's everything that I could ever want. But let's not forget about the new hair and body perfume. We're finally gonna do a smell test. Ooh, I'm very curious about the packaging. Oh, okay. Simple, elegant. It's called California Classic Hair and Body Perfume. Okay, you know what? The best way I can describe this is imagine you're taking a bath and you put some variety of flowers, good smelling flowers, lemon and vanilla, and you have that like fresh scent. That's how it feels like to me, and I'm here for it. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. You know, the best compliment for me, to be honest, is when you go say hi to someone, you like hug them or whatever, and then they're like, oh my god, you smell so good, what perfume do you use? And I can be like, it's actually my hair products. It's just my hair products. My hair just smells good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun. I'm definitely gonna do more styling videos like this. So if you have any requests, suggestions, leave them down on the comments below. And like I said, if you have never tried any of the Rizos Curls products, you are definitely missing out because you need to try these at least once in your life. So go get them, try them for yourself, or you can also give it to a friend. Give it to your family, friends, let them try it. Or you know what? This is actually a really good gift for someone who is starting their curly wavy hair journey. If you know someone, they will thank you forever. So just saying. Okay, see you in the next video.